The Weather Xtreme video. This is for Friday, the 15th of January, the morning edition. I'm James Spann. Rain to start this day, but the rain tapers off later, and a big shot of cold air coming in here early next week. Let's dive in and talk about things. This is where we stand early this morning. A nice, well-defined wave passing through the region. And the radar looked like that at 5:07. At that point, rain was widespread from about Tuscaloosa on east. And again, that will be tapering off as the morning progresses. Temperatures in the 40s in most spots. Birmingham, Tuscaloosa 44, Anniston 42. We'll expect a high in the mid to upper 50s today. Not too bad, not quite as warm as yesterday. And around the nation, you can see how temperatures have warmed up a little bit, but a new surge of cold air just beginning to nose down into North Dakota and Minnesota. And again, we're going to start to feel that Sunday and especially Monday and Tuesday of next week. There's the watch warning map, relatively quiet around the nation. Again, scattered winter weather advisories, mainly in the western states, but no big winter storms. We note a couple of marginal severe weather risks today, one on the Atlantic coast of the Carolinas and one over South Florida, mainly south of Interstate 4. And for Alabama, no thunder today except maybe around Dothan, and even there's no risk of severe weather. Rain for the next 5 days, not much. This is valid through Wednesday morning of next week. And really, after this rain gets out of here this morning, looks pretty quiet until maybe about Thursday of next week. Let's walk you through the weather day by day. Here we go today at noon off the GFS. You can see the wave energy passing through. Down below that, a surface low at midday should be near Savannah, Georgia, with the really big rain shield onto the east. This is the high-resolution HRRR model this morning at 11. That big, massive rain we had this morning is exiting the state. Potential for more light rain showers developing over northwest Alabama. Then by 6 o'clock this evening, nothing but just a few spotty light rain showers. And again, today the sky will be cloudy and we'll expect a high in the mid to upper 50s. Tomorrow, a dry day. The sun, I think, might break out at times, but probably more clouds than sun. And the high in the 51 to 55 degree range. And that is exactly at average levels for the middle of January. We note that low in the Gulf, and here comes the next wave. This is Saturday night at midnight, tomorrow night at midnight, or 12 a.m. Sunday. And the big rain shield with this thing is going to be near the Gulf Coast. And again, the GFS brings a little light band of sprinkles or flurries up over the Tennessee Valley. Sunday morning at 6 o'clock, again, the big rain shield well down to the south, flurries or sprinkles over the Tennessee Valley. And at noon on Sunday, it's all out of here. We'll check the high-resolution NAM, the 4-kilometer NAM. This is valid at 3 a.m. Sunday, and it's got really nothing over most of the state. The air is going to be very dry. Any sprinkles or flurries over the Tennessee Valley should be a no-impact event. And the European, same thing. It's got a big rain shield on the coast with basically nothing happening for the northern part of the state. So we'll mention sprinkles or flurries Saturday night, mainly for the Tennessee Valley with no impact. And just for the fun of it, we'll check the plume viewer off the SHREF, the short-range ensemble forecast for Birmingham. All 30 members showing no snow. And then during the day Sunday, we'll say a mixture of clouds and sunshine. The day should be colder with a high back in the 40s. And this is Monday. It's pretty cold air mass coming down the pike. A 1033 millibar high with cold air advection. Many spots will stay in the 30s north of Birmingham during the day, and some folks up near the Tennessee border could stay below freezing much of the day. These are the anomalies, and you can see how the temperature should be maybe 20 degrees below average or more in the core of that air mass. Tuesday, the morning's going to be cold. We'll be down there toward 20. The colder pockets go in the teens. The high Tuesday, low to mid-40s. The sky will be mostly sunny, and Monday will be mostly sunny as well. This is Wednesday. A little feature comes in with a chance of light rain. Temperature should be warmer. The high will be close to 50. And Thursday seems to be the day with the best chance of rain. Thursday and Thursday night with a surface low passing through the region. Don't think we have any instability involved, just rain. Temperatures could stay in the 40s much of the day. And a week from today, troughing off to the east and down below that, a drier air mass. And Again, that's seasonal. That would suggest lows in the 30s and highs in the 50s, and that's what we expect based on averages. Here's the end of the forecast. This is the 24th of January. Troughing north of us, and again, that looks seasonal, cool and dry. Teleconnections, Arctic oscillation tries to go positive a little later this month. Maybe that'll shut down the flow of cold air. Same thing for the NAO. And the numbers off the GEFS ensemble. You can see the colder shot early next week. And after that, temperatures look pretty routine for the rest of the month. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video today. We'll have notes in the blog. Next video here by 4 o'clock this afternoon. If you can't catch us this evening on the live stream or the television side, ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10. Thanks for watching. Have a great day and God bless.